You're watching how to enable full screen gestures in Samsung. Open the Settings app on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Scroll down and tap Display. Within the display settings, look for navigation bar. Tap on it, you will see three options: buttons, swipe gestures, and swipe from sides and bottom. Select swipe gestures for the standard Android 10 Plus gesture system. This hides the traditional navigation buttons and uses swipes from the bottom. Swipe up from the bottom center to go home. Swipe up and hold for recent taps, and swipe from the left or right edge to go back. For a more immersive full-screen gestures experience that uses the entire screen edge, select swipe from sides and bottom. This option removes the gesture hint bar at the bottom and allows you to swipe from the sides to go back, which is better for true full-screen apps. After selecting your preferred gesture style, you can tap more options below to adjust gesture sensitivity, especially useful if you use a case. You can also choose to show or hide the gesture hint the small bar at the bottom. Enable gesture hints to see a faint guide, or disable it for a completely clean look. Your phone will immediately switch to the new navigation style. Practice the gestures: swipe up from the bottom, swipe and hold, and swipe from the edges. This provides more screen real estate and a modern navigation experience. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.